Hello, this is Sean from Charisma Vehicle Solutions with a short video of this Nissan Juke 1.2 DIG petrol N-Connecta that I have available for sale now. As you can see, it's in the Arctic White. Very nice specification indeed. It's a 65 plate, done just over 63,000 miles. It does have a full service history. As you can see, it is very nice and clean and tidy. As you can imagine, it's a 6-year-old car, so it has a couple of little marks on it, but nothing that would be horrible for you. In fact, it's an incredibly clean and tidy car, as you can see. Right, take you inside. You can have a look at the interior. So the car has a black velour type cloth with a slight checkered interior. 5-seat, of course, with the seat belts in the back. Has got the ISOFIX if required. Service interval indicator showing just under 18,000 miles. The car has done 63,400, and it is the N-Connecta, so it's beautifully equipped. It has all the steering wheel controls, including cruise control, and for your telephone as well. And it has electric folding mirrors as well, as you can see. The N-Connecta specification is very nice. You have your map, Bluetooth systems, rear parking camera, which I'll show you now. There you go. And climate control system at the bottom with lovely super cold air conditioning. It is the 6-speed manual transmission. This car has 115 brake horsepower, really nice to drive, and it has the dark interior lining. Be delighted to chat to you, show you the car. If you have any questions, please do give me a call. That's Sean from Charisma Visuals. Many thanks. Bye for now.